Hello and welcome! In this tutorial I will show you how to use a dashboard you have created as a template for new dashboards. With dashboard templates you can also display measured values from the device overview with little effort. Mark the dashboard as a template in the dashboard settings. Switch to the dashboard overview. If you add a new dashboard, you can now select your dashboard from the templates for all GridVis users and use it as a basis. Configure the new dashboard before you create it. You can now use your original dashboard as the basis for the new dashboard. You can assign your own dashboard, which has been marked as a template, to individual devices in the device overview. This allows you to open this dashboard from the overview. Select a device and assign a dashboard to it. In this list you can see all dashboards that are highlighted as templates. Move the mouse over the device entry and open the assigned dashboards via the context menu. In this view, your dashboard automatically uses the device as the data source for all unpinned measured values. You can adjust the time period if required. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitza.de.